welcome to today's tip. We're going to be making a fabulous just a note card. I've made this stamp and it's sort of carved out of a special material, and it's in my card making ideas monthly class actually. And I'll put a link to that at the bottom, but I just cut that out and I'm going to be using that to create a really cool envelope card. Now I'm just putting some archival black ink onto that stamp, and I'm just pressing very, very hard into my purple paper or cardstock, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I've just cut around that now. What I am going to do is just score a line where the envelope would fold. Now I've made these out of 3 different colours, and I am going to stick them onto my card like a washing line. So there they all are. I quite like the idea of just joining them up with a little bit of what might look like a washing line. And I could certainly use some thread for that if I wanted. So there's a really good tip there. Make sure you get the right pen. I was playing around or trying to write my lettering with a really thick pen, and I actually pulled out my thin black pen to get the words and the flow right. And I've just added a little border around it. It looks quite cute. And so it's such a lovely little interactive note card for any occasion. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.